just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Nikki and I'm here with a Romwe haul. And this is actually my second Romwe haul and review. I did one like 2 years ago because I got some stuff right before I went to Florida. I really love Romwe. I really love Shein, which is their sister ship company or something like that. Yeah, I really love these two websites, and I've done 1 or 2 Shein hauls before, and I've done a Romwe haul before. So I'll link those down below or in the cards, just if you guys want to go see them for more review purposes. But I will say they're cringy because they were made a year to 2 years ago. So yeah, this will also be a try on if I didn't tell you that in the beginning. The first thing I have is this Burgundy stripe V-neck crop sweater. That's what the description is on the website. I really do like this. It's super cute. I can't really show it well without it just looking huge. This is super cute. I've worn it twice already. So this was $8.99. The next shirt is the rose embroidered patch watercolor twist sweatshirt. It's super cute. I'm gonna warn you, it doesn't look that cropped on the website, but it doesn't even look that cropped like out. But like you have to like realize like boob proportions. It's pretty darn cropped, but with some high-waisted jeans. It's super cute. It's not really school appropriate. I don't know, maybe not for your school, because like this shirt isn't school appropriate for my school. We can't really have crop tops. I wear them anyway, but I don't let them show my stomach. I let them like hang over my jeans, because I wear high-waisted jeans if I wear any jeans, or I put a tank top underneath them. So like even if I do raise up my arms, you can't see my stomach. But this one's like even a little too cropped, but it is cute like on the weekends to wear. It's long sleeve. I really love black and white watercolor and marble and all that. The next 2 things I have are so cute, and they're one of my favorite things I got. They are these hooded drawstring cut and sew jacket, but they're like raincoats. And look how cute those are. Like they're super cute. And I got one in this millennial pink, like mauve pink. Super cute. And the other one I got is in maroon, same style. They're both so darn cute and I love them. But here's the thing about me, as you can see, I have super broad shoulders and big arms because I'm athletic. I'm not really super athletic, but I swim. And that's a sport that makes your arms huge, and they are too tight in my arms, and that makes me want to cry because these are the cutest things. I'm still keeping them though, because I'm working on a weight loss thing right now, so I'm like, maybe if I tone up my arms a little bit more, like, not like bulk them, but like tone them, because I do have a little bit of like biggerness to them that maybe isn't not all muscle. Maybe if I just tone my arms back up, I might fit into them, because they're so cute, and they were only $7.99 each. Like, that is a steal, and they're so cute. The next thing I have is a little simple, but it's super cute. They're just little short ankle black socks, but I haven't worn them yet. I'm gonna have to stand up and show you guys this. They have bows on the back, so like when you wear shoes, the bow sticks out. How cute is that? Like the bow sticking out of the back of the shoe with like some cuff jeans or like anything really. That is so adorable. And these were only $1.99. The next thing I got was these leggings, and they have knee cutouts, and they're literally called knee cutout leggings. They're only in this color. They're not in different colors. They're a little bit, I don't know, like you can even tell on the website they're kind of this fabric, but they're a little bit baggy in the crotch. For me, I don't know. I think I'll still wear them, just maybe like a longer shirt or something. I don't know. It shows on the website with a crop top, and like she ain't having like crotch issues, so I don't know if I am very short. Like I am 5 foot tall, so maybe it's the way it fits on my body. But you know, for only $5.99, these are some pretty decent leggings, and the rips are good quality. Like here, I'll show you. They're like stitched around. It's not just like, you know, sometimes you order leggings online, they look like they just like cut the leggings and slit them and they end up like tearing on you. No, like these are actually like sewn nice, but like from a distance it doesn't look like, oh, those are oddly weird. The last 2 things I have aren't really clothing items. They're more like accessories. Crap. But this is the Tassel Decorative Zip Around PU purse. That's the title. It is like, they say it's like a khaki color, but it's not. It's more of like a, it's truly a mauve color, as you can see. It's not like a mauve pink like this. It's more on the brown tone of mauve, but it's super cute. And it's got gold accents, and I'll just show you inside what it looks like. Yeah, I don't have any. Inside is the very like mauve millennial pink that has all the card holders and then a little coin purse. The reason I'm showing inside is because on the website they don't show a picture of the inside, and I really hate that because I like knowing what my wallets look like in the inside, but I just took the chance because this is only $6.99 and it has 2 slots for money. But yeah, it's super cute. It's got a little like tassel and then a little gold heart. It's very like compact, so it fits in like any purse, and it's nice and cute and easy. The last thing I got was the marble print pillowcase, and it just looks like this, and it is really cute. I need to iron it, but I haven't. Just white on the back, so it looks like on the front is marble. It's truly nice. I just got the one in the square. They have another one that's like rectangular, but I think I might order another one of these because they're only $2.99, and I have another pillow to go on this side, or I'll get a red kind of pillow. I don't know. But yeah, it just zips at the bottom. And yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me next. Don't forget to subscribe up here. Go subscribe to my vlog channel and my Dink TV channel, my collaborative channel. I promise one day I'll stop saying that, but they're both brand new. Like, they're not even a month old, so I'm going to keep plugging it. Yeah, if you'd like to see more hauls, tell me in the comments below, because the more you guys want them, the more you guys will do them. By the way, I don't think I said this in the beginning, this is not sponsored at all. I paid this completely with my own money, like not even parents' money, like 100% my own money. So if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see me next, don't forget to subscribe like I said earlier, and I love you guys so much, and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though